Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the gift card is active and has sufficient balance. Check the balance on the Shell app or website. Once done, pull up to a pump that accepts cards at the nozzle. Insert, swipe, or tap the gift card at the pump reader and watch the screen for prompts. Make sure you select the correct fuel grade quickly because the pump will authorize a hold for a preset amount. This holds funds until you finish fueling. You will see a sequence of prompts. Choose the fuel grade and whether to prepay a set amount or pay after fueling. Once you confirm, the pump authorizes a hold for an estimated amount. This is temporary and protects the station against underpayment. If the pump asks for ZIP or phone, enter the billing ZIP linked to the card or follow the screen options. It may accept a phone instead. After authorization clears, lift the nozzle and fuel. The pump finalizes the charge when you finish. When you finish, return the nozzle and wait for the pump to print a receipt or display the final amount. This is the actual charge, replacing the authorization. If the card is declined, don't panic. Try reinserting or tapping again, check the app for balance or error messages, and if necessary, go inside to complete the purchase with the cashier. As a key troubleshooting tip, always keep the card number and receipt handy so staff can verify activation and complete the sale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.